Good morning, guys. April here from Holistic Heart RN. I am like hankered down by the wood stove trying to get warm this morning because it is cold outside here in southern West Virginia. So forgive the probably not so great lighting with the window beside me, but I'm like afraid to move from this place because I'm pretty sure my hands might fall off. So I wanted to talk to you guys today about emotions and belief and using essential oils to bring our belief and vision into alignment. I started using oils for like really practical purposes, right? Cleaning and, help keeping us healthy and all of those good things. And I soon realized that there was a huge benefit of essential oils for emotional health and well-being, and learning more and more about how our emotions and mindset can drive our overall health. I just like fell further and further in love. So really emotions and oils are huge for me. Like that's just something that I'm really passionate about. I just finished reading a book actually about mindset and our biofield and oils to bring awareness and balance and all that stuff. So anyway, this other book that I was going to talk to you guys about today and that somebody is going to win, it's called the Aroma Freedom Technique. It's the quick step guide, okay? There's a fuller book. It's not too big either, but I figured this would be much more user-friendly for new people to the idea of using oils for emotions and goal driving and all of that. This is a really quick read. It's really just a step-by-step guide on how to use those oils. Actually, here's the page that kind of breaks down the 12 steps really briefly on how to use oils and body awareness to move through barriers that may be blocking us from reaching our goals. So let's talk a little bit about it. The Aroma Freedom Technique was developed by Dr. Benjamin Purkis. I can't talk this morning, you guys. He's a clinical psychologist of over 20 years of experience and over 15 years of using essential oils. And in the last few years, he really started partnering Young Living essential oils with his practices of helping people move through their obstacles and their limiting mindsets and beliefs to achieve goals and changes in their life. Specifically Young Living essential oils because of the quality standard. You don't want to use fake oils or oils that are potentially toxic because that's not helpful to your health. Also the vibration that they, the frequencies that they vibrate at and all of that, those things, you want quality pure oils, and that's why he suggests Young Living, and that's why I suggest Young Living for all of those reasons. So this is a step-by-step quick guide and just a little bit about what Aroma Freedom Technique is. It is a simple process. It's designed to help you get from where you are to where you want to be. So, we all have hopes and goals and dreams that we'd like to achieve. And then there's also those feelings of being stuck and hopeless and confused about how to get there. And he uses his practices with oils and body awareness and all to help us move through those limiting beliefs and towards our goals. It's really powerful. I've done it myself a few times. It's super easy to do. And whenever I start feeling stuck, I'm just like, oh, okay, I need an oil. I need to break it down. What is limiting me? And this is really just super helpful. It's so easy. Anybody can do it. You don't have to be like a specialist in aromatherapy. You don't have to be a psychiatrist or psychologist to use this technique. It's just something to help us bring ourselves more into alignment and being more aware of our feelings and emotions and our body. And it's really cool. So this book doesn't go into super detail about what the why we get these feelings of stuck and barriers and things like that, but it talks a lot about, it just steps you through how to move through them. Just know that obviously we feel stuck. Sometimes we're moving towards goals, and this is a tool to help us get to where we want to be. It's really cool. So I'm just going to flip through a couple of things here. Gary Young is the founder of Young Living Essential Oils, and he's got several essential oils that Dr. Purkis uses in the Aroma Freedom Technique, and they're specifically designed to transform and release negative emotions and place us into a positive attitude, positive mindset, life-affirming attitude. And so that's why he chose these oils. So some of the oils that he uses are clarity, like when we're trying to identify our goals and vision, inner child of being like releasing, getting back in touch with our childhood, maybe things that maybe imprinted us, and then release to let go of those things that are limiting, stress away. He uses lavender and lemon also, and frankincense And then he also uses transformation, which is the oil that I'm going to give somebody a sample of with this book, to help when you're reestablishing your new goals after you have released those limiting beliefs. And it's just really cool. It's a way to like partner body awareness and new goals with affirmations and with just that full body. I say body awareness, but I mean like physical, emotional, all of that awareness. It's not just what are your limiting beliefs. It's like, where do you feel, what kind of emotion do you feel whenever you're thinking about reaching those goals, and where do you feel it, and what memory comes up when you think about that feeling. And it's a really amazing practice and process. So anyway, transformation is an awesome blend. It has oils like sacred sandalwood, it has sacred frankincense, Idaho blue spruce, cardamom, Palo Santo, all these great oils that are amazing for our emotional, spiritual health. And so it's a perfect oil to use when you're really sealing in those goals and moving forward after you've done all this work to release that like emotional and limiting baggage. Transformation is a perfect oil to use as you're moving forward. I love it. It's an awesome smell, and I think you'll love it too. So if you look at, I think it's post number 17, where I think it's called like On and Out, and it's talking about oils and goals and emotional health and all of that. Go look at that post, share, maybe a goal you have for 2018, and what kind of mindset or thinking do you think that you have that's limiting you from reaching those goals. And then you'll be entered to win a copy of the Aroma Freedom Techniques, the little step-by-step quick guide, and a sample of transformation to help you move forward in 2018. I really hope that it is a blessing for you, and I hope that you guys are enjoying this class. Later today will be a new topic. I don't remember what it is. I have it all set up to go, so you guys will just be surprised like I will, and we'll see. We'll keep going forward. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.